This vlog is on a science park which I have made to make you aware about a science park which is located in Pimpri Chinchwad area in Pune city, Maharashtra. It is a very amazing place to explore, especially for those who having science background. The parking is also available and there is a small garden near to this science park. To enter into this science park, you have to buy the tickets, and there are different types of tickets available for the science park. For example, for to see the planetarium and all, there is a separate fees. Now in this video, I have recorded all those equipments which are kept in the science park. They have showed how the engine works in different vehicles and the theory and basics related to the physics. All these instruments are made on a knowledge basis of science. So you must come to this place with your friends or family members to explore this place. You can also play so many games inside this science park with your friends. For example, there are screens available to play different types of games, and there are different types of mirrors and images are available where you can click your pictures and you will get the unique picture from this science park. These are all things kept in the science park. This is a musical instrument type equipment which gives a very beautiful sound if you put your hands on these holes. This is a virtual harp instrument. The images which I have clicked in the science park, that I have tried to collect all those images in these videos so that you can understand how beautifully the opportunity you will get to click such beautiful pictures in this science park. You can directly come to this place from your private vehicle, or else you can also come through PMT buses of Pune till Empire State stop, and from that stop you can walk straight to this science park. On Google all the details are available. You can also do inquiry before exploring this place. Because the updates always gets changed with time to time. So for latest update of the tickets price and all, you have to check the official website. There is also so many shops are available so that you can buy and eat outside the science park. It is situated in Kalewadi Road on PCMC area. You can see there is a colored cube shown in this video, and another type of game which you can play with your friends. These are all you will get to see once you go inside the science park. You can see all the magics because of the science theory behind it. I hope you have liked this video and share amongst your people with whom you want to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have already visited this place. Thank you so much again for watching this video.